Numerous companies specialized in power transformer maintenance. Sooner or later, all of them run into the problem of aging and degrading transformer oil. Our products are suitable for any task, be it oil regeneration, oil degassing, oil heating and purification, sorbent reactivation, transformer evacuation and drying, etc. This is the CMM 2.2N model, designed for purification of transformer oil by heat and vacuum, degassing of oil and removal of particulate matter. The unit can also heat electrical equipment with hot transformer oil and evacuate and dry transformers. This unit is sufficiently compact for air freight. The CMM 2.2N model is equipped with a Calpeda pump instead of gear pumps to reduce noise. The unit does not have an inlet pump, which means that the oil is sucked into the unit by vacuum. The CMM 2.2N comes in two variants, one with and one without an oil storage hose compartment. The unit is equipped with a controller for proportional heating control. It has a redesigned housing and an improved paint coat. By reducing the number of components in the unit, we were able to improve its reliability while at the same time reducing its cost. Hence, there is now a compact, low-noise unit in the market with the capacity to process 2 cubic meters of oil per hour. If you specialize in transformer maintenance and servicing, and this capacity is sufficient for your applications, the CMM 2.2N unit is certainly worth your attention.